Hi, I'm Howard from YouTube Creators Forum. Today I'm going to show you how to add a simple branding mark to your videos. Every time you put a video up, your branding mark will be in the right hand lower corner and people can subscribe. So stay tuned. Well, today I'm going to show you how to add a branding mark. And first, you decide what kind of symbol or artwork you want for the branding mark. Many of the branding marks are just the YouTube button, which says subscribe. But for my branding mark, I decided to add a bullseye. And I'm going to show you where you can find it and where you can find artwork, and then you can modify it with Photoshop or whatever, and then show you how to add it to your page under branding. Now there's all kinds of artwork that you could put as your branding mark. I use Explosion 150,000. What is this? Anyhow, this has lots of art, clip art, and all kinds of stuff. And this, I don't know, not very expensive, but I would check it out on Amazon, maybe $50 or $80. I added subscribe to the bullseye, then I saved it. You have to save it in a PNG format, and it has to be less than 1 megabyte. Here we are in Photoshop CS6. I've got my documents open, and I'm going to open my clip art folder, and there's two different targets that I'm going to choose. I think I'm going to take the red target and I'm going to modify it by adding a subscribe button or words on there. Really simple. And then I'm going to take the text tool. Right now it's set to red. I'm going to set it to yellow. Make a box. There's a box. There's a box, and I'm going to make it pretty big over here. Make the box yellow. Then I'm going to take the text tool and I'm going to type subscribe in it. Add a stroke to it. Okay, we have the yellow box over the target, and now I'm going to type in a red subscribe. Now I added a stroke to this subscribe so it has black around it and it stands out. Target subscribe, or target sub. Okay, and I'm going to save it in a PNG format. And I don't want to merge it because I want it to be transparent. So let's check the resolution first, see what size it is. It is 398K, so that's not bigger than 1 meg, so that'll go in. There it is. Subscribe. The bullseye, and it's the right size. Now we're ready to go to our page and put it in branding. Okay, right now I'm in Creator Studio. In order to get into your channel to find your branding, you click under Channel, and below Status and Features is Branding. And so I have that subscribe button with the target in the background. We're going to change it. First of all, we remove it. Remove that. And I have it set to do the entire video. So when the video starts, your branding pops up in the right hand lower corner. And it's going to be smaller than what it appears to be. So let me remove that. And then it says add watermark. And it has, you want to have one with a transparent background. You can't add one with a solid background. So PNG is one way to do it. And so you browse. There's my clip art folder, and there's a couple of targets, and there's the one we just made in Photoshop. I click on it to open it. Now, it did open it, but it doesn't show it. So you have to know that it did load it and click on save. And after you click on save, it says your uploaded watermark is, and click save again. And there it is. If you click on the watermark that we just added, it brings up the subscribe button. And that'll run through the whole video. You could also add it at the end of the video or starting at whatever number of sections you want. If you like YouTube Creators Forum and my tech blog, please subscribe. The subscribe button is in the right hand corner.